Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just want to secure your assets, this step-by-step guide will help you move your XRP safely and efficiently. By the end, you'll have your XRP stored in your hardware wallet, which is way more secure than leaving it on an exchange. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Coinbase account with some XRP in it, a Ledger Nano X device that's already set up and connected to your computer or phone, and the Ledger Live app installed. Oh, and double check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware. 2025 might bring some new features, so stay current to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app or website and log in to your account. Navigate to your XRP wallet. It's usually under the Assets tab. Here, you'll see your XRP balance. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the XRP app. If you don't have it installed, use the Ledger Live app to add it. Once it's running, go to the Receive section to generate and display your XRP wallet address. Carefully copy this address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so don't make any typos. Step 3. Back on Coinbase, select the Send or Withdraw option for XRP. Paste the address from your ledger into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network fees. They might be a bit higher in 2025 due to network upgrades. Step 4. Review everything twice. Make sure the address is correct, and hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email from Coinbase, and the transaction should process in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Once it's done, open Ledger Live and check your XRP balance to verify the transfer. Awesome, you're all set. A quick tip. Always use the XRP network for these transfers to avoid any issues. And remember, never share your private keys. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.